Droning is like driving a motorcycle. It's not a matter of if you crash, it's a matter of when. What's up guys? Welcome back to another episode. I'm stoked to have you here. In today's video, I'll be repairing a Mavic 2 Pro arm. Now, it's important to know how to repair these things because you can't always send them off to DJI. And if you have your insurance, I mean, good on you, but I've had a drone for quite a long time now and I've outlived the insurance policy. So when you're in these shoes, it's important that you know how to repair these things because we spend so much money on them. So you got to take care of your stuff and you can't always send it off to DJI to have them charge you an erroneous price that you don't learn how to repair these things yourselves. If you're in the same boat as me and you want to protect your investment, this is the video for you. So let's get into it. But before we do, notify and subscribe. It really does help out. I make one video once a week. And please let me know how the repair went for you in the comments below. And if you have any questions, I would be happy to answer them. So don't hesitate. All right, guys, let's get into it. And enjoy the repairs. hopefully that video was helpful. Hopefully you could learn from my process and I recorded it well. Please let me know in the comments below and notify and subscribe, and see you in the next one.